If you've invested in a loan note scheme and a payment has been missed, the worst thing that you can do is do nothing, because although it might sound cliche, time is of the essence. In fact, one of the biggest mistakes that investors make is waiting for someone else to solve the problem. They wait for the next update, they wait for the next investor meeting, they wait for the next promise, and eventually they wait for the administrators to be appointed. But by that stage, the situation may have changed dramatically. The company may have fewer assets, the pool of creditors may be larger, and the options available may be much more limited than they were when the warning signs first appeared. Many investors are surprised to learn that recoveries in formal insolvency procedures can be very low, with a national average return following an administration being around 4 pence in the pound. In some cases, unsecured creditors receive only a small fraction of what they invested, and many investors receiving nothing at all. That's why early action is so important. Not because recovery is guaranteed, but because acting early while a company is still trading may provide opportunities that simply do not exist once formal insolvency procedures begin. The key message is simple. If interest payments are delayed, capital repayments are missed, or investors are being asked to accept revised terms, don't assume that waiting is your only option. If you'd like to learn more about loan note schemes, security trustees, investor protection, and the issues discussed in the £500 million loan note scam, Who Profits When Investors Lose, there's a link to the book in the description. And if you've invested in a loan note scheme and you're concerned about missed payments, delayed redemptions, security arrangements, or changes to investor terms, you can send your loan note information to the email address on your screen now. The team will review the information provided and get back to you with their findings and any options that may be available.